Hi! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your workspace in Krita. Customizing your workspace can enhance your productivity and make it easier to access the tools you need. Let's dive in! To rearrange a toolbar window in Krita, select the window title and drag it to your desired position. The window will automatically snap into place, making it easy to organize your workspace. You can also adjust the width of the toolbar as needed. If you prefer, you can have the toolbar appear as a floating window, giving you even more flexibility in your layout. If you drag the toolbar to this area, you will create a new tab, allowing you to switch between different windows seamlessly. If you want to remove the tab and revert the toolbar back to a floating window, simply press the restore icon. You can select predefined workspaces from the menu by going to Window Workspace. Alternatively, you can quickly choose a workspace by clicking the icon located on the right-hand side of the interface. This allows you to switch between different predefined layouts that suit your project needs, making it easy to find the perfect setup for your work. Under the Menu Settings Dockers, you'll find all the available dockable panels for your workspace. For instance, if you're interested in viewing the histogram, you can select it from this menu, and it will be added to your user interface. If you wish to hide the histogram later, just return to the menu and uncheck the histogram option. This flexibility allows you to tailor your workspace to your specific needs at any moment. Once you have finished arranging the toolbars to fit your workflow, it's time to save your customized workspace. To do this, click on the icon located on the right-hand side and enter a name for your new workspace. This way, you can easily access your personalized setup in the future, ensuring that your workspace is always optimized for your projects. Updating a custom workspace can be a bit tricky. Let's say you want to move the main toolbox to the left-hand side by default. Once you've dragged it into position, you'll need to update your workspace to keep the change. Simply type the name of your workspace, and you'll notice that the button next to it changes from Save to Overwrite. Click this button to confirm your changes, ensuring your updated layout is saved for future use. So that's basically it for this tutorial. Before I finish up, I want to show you one more thing. Krita comes with predefined shortcuts that allow you to open the program with a specific workspace, such as the animation workspace. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.
I bet you've got a beautiful smile. Why don't you share it with the world?
There is no God.